Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. Today we will do the very last part of the chapter as a revision of the chapter. Let's begin. Now here we have the mental maths column where you are supposed to tell the answers by thinking mentally. When two integers of like signs are multiplied, then the product is a positive integer, isn't it? Like were there, whether they are positive or negative, answer was always positive. Second, the product of 5 negative and 2 negative means 5 negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2 negative. 1 and 2. Sorry. Is what? It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So whenever the number of times the sign is odd, so the answer will be negative. If it was even, let us say minus into minus, it will be a positive, isn't it? But here it is negative. The quotient of two integers with like sign, two integers having like signs, then the quotient will always be positive. Successor of minus 75 minus 175 is minus 175 plus 1. Successor means adding 1 is minus 174. Additive inverse of 7 is minus 7. Additive inverse, what are you going to add in the number so that you get a 0? If a is any integer, then its predecessor. Predecessor means a minus 1. Sum of two integers is 47. One of the integer is minus 13. The other integer will be 47 minus 13. That is a 47 plus 13 is a 60. Negative of a negative integer is always a positive integer. How? If I write minus of minus 5, it means a plus 5. That's how. Okay. Explained. What should be divided by minus 6 to get 25? So x divided by minus 6 equals to 25. So when you will solve, you will get the value of x as minus 150. Dash is the additive identity. Additive identity means the number should always remain same. So the additive identity was 0, whereas 1 was the multiplicative identity of integers. I told you that the identity doesn't change. So what are you going to add? And when you will add a 0, it won't change. When you will multiply the given integer with 1, it won't change its value. For any integer a divided by 1 is equal to a, whereas a divided by 0 is not defined. Minus 12 is smaller than minus 10. Now here we have some of the questions which I will ask. Some of them I'll explain here and some you have to do as the homework. Simplify. Okay. So simplify, you can solve it. So do it as your homework. Second, which one is greater? Look here. 12 plus 6 into 10 and 12 plus 6 into 10. Sorry, 12 plus 6 into 10. So let us check. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 into 10 is how much? 18 into 10 is 180. And 12 plus 6 into 10 is what? 60. And 12 plus 60 is 72. So which one is greater? This one is greater. Okay. So this is explained to you. Do this as homework. Find the value of. Remember, you have to see somewhere same numbers will be repeated. 776, 776, 3764 and 3764. So those numbers you have to take common. Now this kind of number, remember what we did here, we multiplied with a 1. So do this as homework. Then write down a pair of integers whose Sum is minus 5. Sum is minus 5. So any pair of integers, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5. You can think of any of them. Quotient is 6. Quotient means when you will divide two integers, you will get the quotient as 6. So let it be 60. One integer is 60, another is 10. So that when you will divide, you will get the quotient as 6. Another can be minus 6 by minus 1. Then when you will divide, you will get the quotient as 6. Okay. So your homework is this, fourth part and third part. Now, a plane is flying at a height of 4,500 meter above sea level. Let us say this is the sea level. Then a plane is flying how much? 4,500 meter above sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating. Let us say this was the submarine which is floating, and its distance is, submarine is at a distance of 1100 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance? This total distance you have to find. You have to add the absolute values, remember. So this will be your homework, fifth one. Now subtract minus 8 from 15 and subtract 15 from minus 8. Are the two results same? Try to do this as your homework. And second one, if you see here, it is a 0, so directly the answer will be a 0. Now here minus 15 plus of minus 23, do it as homework, and this way you are going to revise the chapter. In the coming class you will get a small test, so please revise the chapter nicely. That was all for today, my dear students. Thank you and have a nice day.